everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing this blue full smoky halo eye look that I was very inspired by Manny, and everyone has been wearing blue eyeshadow, so I was like, I need to wear blue eyeshadow. And this look is seriously so pretty. The way that, you know, it just came out, I'm obsessed. The glowy skin is everything to me right now. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I kind of wanted to do a different type of prom makeup because I feel like a lot of prom makeups are very neutral, and this is very like eye daring catching. You obviously don't have to wear this for prom because some of us are 20-year-olds. But I think it's really pretty. I love the way that this look came out. And if you guys want me to do another makeup look for prom, I have another one in mind, and it's not, you know, this color vibe, but I definitely wanted to play with blue because I've been excited to play with blue. And yeah, that's everything for this intro. I love you guys so much. Let's get into this glamour. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And yeah, let's get into it. So I have yet to use, I almost dropped it, this palette. This is the 39A. This is a huge palette. It's huge, as you can see. It's hella big. It's like humongous. Now everybody's doing a blue look. I feel like I should do a blue look too. So we're gonna copy this picture that I saw from Manny. Speaking of Manny, he just posted a lunar beauty picture. Look at that. It's the drag queens and Alyssa and Manny. Wow. We're gonna try to replicate that today, honey. Just gonna let you guys know the names since I have the names here. Go ahead and start off with my MAC Pro Longwear. What Pro Longwear? This is the MAC Cover Up Concealer. Just use my MAC 252. Been doing and flicking my eyebrows to look higher, as you can see. I just don't want them to droop anymore. I feel like it doesn't fit me very well. So I always take the R37 brush by Morphe. It's like a nice little fluffy brush, extra fluffy today. The shade Bear. I'm just gonna put this here first. If you used the new KKW eyeshadow palette, but mine hasn't arrived yet, so there you go. I can't use it yet. I'm gonna take the shade Transitional with a 224 by MAC. To give us a cooler tone in the crease, honey. I am buffing up here just because I know this is going to be high as fuck. So I still want some transition area up there. I'm going to take the M167 brush by Morphe, and I'm going to take the color Indigo from the palette. This is a matte blue, and I feel like I'm just going to go here first. Just to place this here. And he like took this hella high. So I'm gonna take it hella high. Far so good. We don't really have any fallout with this palette. Hi Mia. So I'm placing this here first, and then I'm gonna go and blend. I'm gonna take the M506, and this is gonna be my blending little brush. Blending this out, and I really don't want to blow the blue out too much. Another little brush, and I'm going to use the concealer again, and he has it so high up here. I'm going to take a little bit of the ColourPop concealer in Fair 6. In the center, he has like a nice light shimmer shade that's not blue. Taking another big old palette from Morphe. This is the 24G. I'm going to take the color Glazed, which is the second top one. I'm going to take this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I just feel like this one is definitely more like it. I feel like he took it all the way down to the center. I'm going to take a mixture of Taylor and color from the original palette we've been using. I'm going to go in first with Taylor. What is this called? Pool Party from the Jaclyn palette. I'm just going to add this here as well. And I'm just going to go back in with the color Indigo and blend this out. I think we got it close, I think. Just like that, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the color. Okay, so you know what I just thought of? I can make it more glittery with Artist Couture Coco Bling. Add this to the very top. Down, what it looks like that. I think that makes it look hella better. Ooh! Okay, I'm gonna quickly do this eye on this eye and I'll be right back. So I was inspired to do this look because I wanted to do something different, and since everyone's doing in blue, I feel like this would be a pretty like look. You could also wear this for prom, you know, for those prom honeys that want a little bit more drama. To prime the skin, I'm just going to take the Laura Mercier primer again. Do this here. The thing about this primer makes every foundation look so nice. The NARS foundation again. I'm going to take my beauty blender. It was damp, but I can feel it like it already kind of dried down a little bit more. This is the NARS foundation in the shade Stromboli, and this is the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation that was just one of my favorites. I was listening to the new Cardi B album. Oh my god, that shit is so good. And you're gonna like, oh my god, why are you wearing your bandana again? I just dyed my hair blonde at the top and I need to go with it again. So, Ariana saying something about you makes me feel like a dangerous woman. Something about this foundation makes me feel like a dangerous woman, and I love it. This is the super pale shade Fair 06. The lightest concealer that I have right now, which is ColourPop. And I'm going to take this, and this turns kind of pinky tone. But I'm going to take this down at the center of my nose. Kind of light, and then I'm gonna mix the other one, Fair 08, which is a little bit more yellow. Just because I want this to be a really nice prom look, so we're going all out for today. 16. I'm gonna take the color Light 16 underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna go with a nice. I'm going for a more formal, more fuller glam look. And I really like this ColourPop concealer. It's super inexpensive and I really like it. I think it works actually really good. Take my MO brush. I love this brush. And I'm going to take my Banana Shed from the Kat Von D palette. I'm actually going to take this for shade first. I need to get a new one of these, but seriously, of my nose. And I'm going to take the same little shade just for some added highlighted, you know. I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light little brush. This is what I've been using. And I'm going to take the banana shade and the other shade. I'm just going to set everywhere else I've highlighted. This is the E41 brush. I live for this brush. Milani powder. Milani loose powder. Just to set. Or I didn't set yet. I'm gonna take the darkest shade from the palette and I'm just gonna start giving myself some bronze. Gives you that little bronze. Take the same shade and I'm just gonna go literally right here. I'm just gonna focus that right here. Okay, so now that I have the nose contour on and the bronzer kind of pretty much everywhere, I'm going to take my Alexis Ren and ColourPop Little Duo in Topaz, and I'm going to take the highlighter in Golden Moment. I'm going to take the highlighter and She's Here to Stay with a M509 brush. This is a really big highlighter brush, and I just like this for literally kind of giving me a more overall glow, and then I'll go ahead and pinpoint my highlight where I want it. My Morphe palette, I'm just going to take the color Vacation with the same beautiful brush. It does like a more of diffused little moment. Because it's so fluffy, it'll like go over your blush. I'm gonna go in with something extra. This is Double Gleam by MAC. The same highlight we added on my eye, COCO bling, and I'm just gonna put this right on top, just to give us that wet cheekbone. In the Y3 by Morphe, you guys know I love her. I'm going to take the color Kindred, because I feel like she's a very neutrally blush. I'm just going to apply her here too. And we're going to spray our face with Fix Plus. And then I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. And then I'm going to set them using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And this will give us that like PC Instagram look. I'm going to take my E36 and the shade Indigo from the palette again. I don't know why my lower lash line looks brighter. Take a M506 and I'm gonna blend this lash line out. I'm gonna take the color Muse, which is the black color, and I'm just gonna go right under. I'm gonna go in with the shade Bare again, and I'm just gonna blend out this. And I'm gonna take more of the COCO Bling highlighter, and I'm just gonna go into the inner corners. Maybe a little bit lighter than I need it to be, but we're gonna find out. Very different. I'm gonna add some of Velvet Teddy onto this. And for gloss, I'm just gonna take this Tiramisu lip gloss from NYX. Okay. Here is the finished blue eyeshadow look. This is like a full glam, glowy blue eyeshadow look. I wanted to do something more a little bit crazy. Saw this picture of Manny, loved it, and you know, I love it. I feel like it looks different. It's way more attention to the eyes, and I feel like it would look really pretty if you were wearing like a black dress or something, if you're using this for prom. Anyways, that was for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video when I do a different prom makeup tutorial. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.